Hey guys, it's Jennifer Bands and I bring you low carb and keto recipes. If that is something that interests you, can you please subscribe below? That would be great. Today I'm making a chicken crust pizza. We're going to use ground chicken, cheese for the crust, some seasonings. We're going to dress it up. It's going to look great. It's going to taste great. So let's get started. So in this bowl, I have some ground chicken, and I'm going to add some Italian seasoning and some salt. We're going to add the cheese, and then we're going to mix it all together with our hands. Okay, that looks really good and mixed. So now we're going to get some parchment paper. We're going to lay it all flat and bake it in the oven. We've got our parchment paper here, and now I'm going to dump the crust mixture onto the parchment paper, and I'm going to form it into a pizza crust. Now, because we're using chicken, this makes it a little less calories than the fathead pizza crust. And you don't even have to put the cheese into the crust, but I think it adds a little bit more flavor. Okay, that looks great. We've got it all flattened out and ready for the oven. We're gonna bake it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, our pizza crust is right out of the oven and it's ready for the toppings. We're gonna put on some tomato sauce. Some cheese. And a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Okay, this is ready to go back in the oven for another 10 minutes to let the toppings melt. And here's our finished pizza. It looks so great. So we're gonna cut it up with our handy dandy pizza cutter. Look at these cute little pieces. Doesn't that look so good? And I just put cheese on this pizza. You could put pepperoni, you could put sausage. You don't have to put cheese, like I said before. But if you like this chicken crust pizza, please subscribe below. In addition to the short videos, cooking videos that I post throughout the week, every Friday, I've got a new video just like this where I show you how to make low carb and keto recipes that are straight from my blog, jenniferbands.com. We'll see you guys later. Bye.